Looking for a powerful and portable drone without the hassle of registration? The Potensic Atom SE mini drone is your perfect travel companion, weighing under 249 grams, delivering 4K video, and loaded with GPS smart features designed for both beginners and experienced drone flyers. This drone proves that small size doesn't mean small performance. With a single-axis gimbal, advanced ShakeVanish tech, and level 5 wind resistance, the Atom SE captures stunningly smooth aerial shots even in unpredictable conditions. Key features: 4K UHD camera plus 12 MP stills, crisp 4K per 30 frames per second video, 118 degrees wide field of view, and adjustable angle from plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees. Stable and vibrant footage thanks to ShakeVanish stabilization. Lightweight and registration free. Under 249 grams, same as a smartphone, so no FAA registration needed in the US or Canada. Fits in your pocket, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Beginner-friendly controls. One Key Takeoff for landing, beginner mode, and GPS auto return. Simple remote or app control with clear interface and intelligent safety features. Long range and strong signal with PixSync 2.0. Up to 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles video transmission range. Real-time preview with stable, low latency feed. Powerful flight performance. Up to 29 minutes of flight time per battery. Level 5 wind resistance ensures stable flight in breezy conditions. Smart flight modes. Follow Me, drone tracks your movement automatically. Waypoint flight, draw a route on the app and the drone follows it. Circle flight, select a target and the drone orbits it automatically. GPS auto return, returns on command, low battery, or signal loss. What's included? Potensic Atom SE drone, remote controller, battery, charging cable, gimbal protector, spare propellers and screws, user manual, optional carrying case. Who should buy the Atom SE? The Atom SE perfect for first-time flyers and beginners, travelers and outdoor explorers, content creators wanting 4K footage without bulk, anyone looking for high performance under 249 grams. The Potensic Atom SE is a well-balanced, beginner-friendly drone that offers excellent value with its 4K camera, long battery life, and smart GPS features, all in a compact, registration-free package. It's a solid choice for those wanting to learn drone flight or capture travel memories without breaking the bank or carrying bulky gear. Fly smarter, lighter, and longer with the Potensic Atom SE mini drone.